Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Then we should click here to volume section, and just to change our device ringtone we should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side this dot with your finger. Also we can make it by the second way. Just first we should be sure that the switcher is turned off to use the volume button here to switch the ringtone, and now just by press to the up or to the down volume button we can also switch our device ringtone, and we can make it by the third way just by swipe to the up or to the down with our finger this volume panel. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.